Since I am building an open source warehouse management system, I will need to be testing this on some sort of real world environment with some real world devices. So this is what I got for myself. I got myself something for the wired network. I got all of the devices from TP-Link, and it's a business solution apparently, the OMADA. So hopefully it will be good. So this is the power over Ethernet switch. This is like a very cool thing. This is the brains, like a software on a piece of hardware that manages all the access points. That would be so cool to test, and hopefully will do the job just right. Then you got these access points, which got all the things I really need. Let's use the glare. They got the mesh technology, which means they talk to each other. Centralized management, which is this bad boy. Then you got long range coverage, perfect for a warehouse. And you got the seamless roaming, which means your barcode scanning device, which in this case will be a smartphone, will be able to switch from one access point to another seamlessly without the operator noticing. So that's perfect. Then I got the UPS for the server that I will be running the GebWMS on, or on the laptop. I'll be doing different tests on these two just to see if you could get away with murder and just host it on a virtual machine and a laptop, if you can't stretch the budget too far to have a little fancy server running 24/7, or your operation doesn't require it. You're just, I don't know, working in the warehouse 4 hours a day, and the only person that comes in to work is you, and you take the laptop, start it up, small business operations and stuff. The printer you will need for your orders, it's a Brother, it's not too expensive either. So that's for your order labels, for your barcodes, for your racks, etc., etc., or your products, whatever you want to do really. So that's kind of essential. This is just not a must-have. It's a label printer for the small strips. Potentially useful, but not a deal breaker if you don't have it. And one thing about the cost, these are quite cheap. I've seen wireless access points for €1,500 for a one unit, so that's a bit extortionate. These were €50, €55 each. And yeah, so much cheaper, so I'll be definitely testing those. And oh yeah, when it comes to the barcode scanner, this was rather cheap, and it just mounts onto the phone. And you can get these cheap phones for like €100, and I've even seen some rugged ones cheaper. So yeah, that might be the winner right there. So yeah, got these to play with and to test GebWMS on in like a real world setting. So yeah, thanks for watching.